take a little drive up to Grants Pass, the back way on Old Stage Road. This is the old highway. Highway 99 north, heading into Grants Pass. Neat valley right through here. There's a bunch of wineries and vineyards and stuff. We got the Rogue River right there. Coming into Grants Pass here, heading over to Caveman RV. All right, here we are, Caveman RV. Caveman RV. Let's see if we can find us a toilet valve. Got the toilet valve I needed to do the repair, and we're gonna head back, leaving Caveman and heading back toward Gold Hill. Town of Rogue River. Do a little drive through here. Closed. Lots of businesses are closed. Ace Hardware's open. Rogue Burrito is closed. Was about it for Rogue River. Kind of a neat little town, I bet, when there's not a bunch of COVID. Kind of some neat restaurants and shops and stuff. Getting close to Valley of the Rogue State Park. Should be right around the corner here. Alright, so Valley of the Rogue State Park. I guess we'll go out and kind of walk around, check out the river. Alright, so looks like there's a greenway trail. I'm gonna walk this down to the campground, the state park campground. You guys can pause that if you want to read it. And there's the map. Let's go. It's a nice paved trail with wheelchair access. The Rogue is right down here. They've got a big fenced-in dog park or pet exercise area. That's kind of neat. There's the rates and stuff for the state park. This is the yeah, this is Loop A, so these are all tent sites. And it's closed. All these sites back here, and group sites. Kind of neat. We'll keep walking down to the main RV campground. So right down there is the RV full hookup campground. And I think that's where they've been taking some of our FEMA trailers, right down there. Be careful, kitty. So it is right next to I-5. It's not going to be super peaceful, but there are cell phone towers right up there. I think they're Verizon, and it's definitely easy access. So if you've got a big rig, you can definitely get in here. Even though it's right next to the freeway, it sure is pretty. So there's the dump station. Looks like they've got 2 bays. And here's the B and C loops, which are full hookups. Right down there. Here's our FEMA section. So these are all a lot of the RVs that we inspected. The Nash, a bunch of Colemans, Alpha Wolf, the Mallards. Those are all ones we did. You can see they've got the permanent steps installed. So that's nice to see. Alright, so they've got all this sectioned off. These are all the ones that they moved in. So it looks like this area is all full. That's good though. Get some people in there. Alright, you can see behind me a bunch of FEMA trailers. Those are all set up. They've got a nice place. Sure is pretty up here. Valley of the Rogue State Park. I've got the all the propane tanks set up. You can see the big 100-gallon propane tanks. Right there. Each one's got its own permanent sewer hookup. Well, it was really neat to see the RVs all set up over there at the state park. Feel good about doing the work that we did, and we're ready for that next batch to come in. So hopefully right after the new year, we're hoping on the 2nd, maybe the 3rd, we'll have that second contract for the next 100. Get them out here. So thanks for coming along on this little drive and a hike through a state park, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later. Oh, these narrow bridges.